Alam mo, marami ang nag-iisip na kaya nilang maging successful basta may passion at konting sipag. Pero sa totoo lang, kung ang puhunan mo lang ay tsamba at swerte, hindi ka magtatagal. Building a real business takes more than that. It takes strategy, discipline, and roadmap that very few are willing to follow. Kaya ngayong December 8, we're hosting the Grand Negosyo Fair sa SMX Convention Center, Manila. An event that will change how you approach business forever. I built Kangkong Chips Original from a 500 peso dream to a multi-million empire. Sa simula pa lang, dumaan ako sa napakaraming failure, rejection, at roadblocks na kayang magpatigil sa kahit na sino. Pero hindi ako matras. Ngayon, bilang isang batang milyonaryo, I've documented my journey. Every rule, every strategy, and mindset shifts na ginawa ko. Kaya sa unang libro ko na Minahika ni Mohika ang Makina ng Pera, dito ko nilagay ang lahat. This isn't just a book. It's a blueprint. And it's launching at the Grand Negosyo Fair, ang pinakaunang event ko. Specifically designed for hustlers, business people, and serious entrepreneurs. Imagine a room filled with the best minds, the best strategies, and the best energy you could possibly get in just one day. This is for those who wants to skip the noise and get real, valuable knowledge. But what should you expect on that event? Let's get started. Sa Minahika ni Mohika ang Makina ng Pera, I revealed how I turned every failure into fuel. Sa bawat pagkatalo ko, may natutunan akong mahalagang leksyon. Mga leksyong hindi mo makukuha sa school o sa YouTube. Every single setbacks was a stepping stone to a bigger success. And one of my top rules, consistency and resilience. Yan ang foundation ng totoong negosyo. Kasi ang success, hindi yan para sa mga naghihintay maging komportable. Success comes to those who are ready to take action. Kahit mahirap, kahit masakit. This book is for those willing na mag-step out and to go beyond their comfort zone para magtagumpay. And if that's not you, let's be real and I'll be real. Maybe this event isn't for you. One of the biggest rules I talk about in the book is to never compromise on quality. Because early on pa lang, marami ang nagsabing magtipid, mag-cut ng corners. Pero alam ko hindi yun ang tamang way para magtagal ang brand. Sa negosyo, kung nagtitipid ka sa quality, babagsak ka rin sa huli. Kaya ako, nag-invest ako sa tamang proseso. Sa best quality ingredients, best processes, best details. Kaya ngayon, Kangkong Chips Original is a worldwide brand. We are FDA approved, halal certified, and we are trusted by thousands of customers. And this is the kind of insight and dedication na pag-uusapan natin sa Grand Negosyo Fair. This isn't just about any hype. It's about real, practical steps to create something meaningful and sustainable. Now, kung seryoso ka talaga sa pagpapalago ng negosyo mo, then join us on December 8 on SMX Convention Center, Manila para sa Grand Negosyo Fair. I've got 8 of the best speakers, including some of my own mentors. Mga taong nakarating na sa peak ng success at tumulong sa akin na mag-level up. Kasama dito ang mga tunay na milyonaryo at bilyonaryo, mga master sa kanilang fields, and people who have guided me personally. Remember, this isn't just a seminar. This is a chance to step into a room full of people who think like you, who hustle like you, at gustong umangat tulad mo. When you're surrounded by that kind of energy, you start to see what's possible. Just imagine, guys. One day packed with knowledge, insights, and inspiration na hindi mo makukuha kahit saan. Again, I repeat, this is not for everyone. This is for the serious hustlers, business owners, and aspiring entrepreneurs. Because here's the truth. Success isn't just about working alone. It's about a community. Kung sino ang pinipili mong pakinggan at sino ang mga kasama mo. Yan ang purpose ng event na to. It's about building connections, creating networks, at nang makasama mo ang mga taong may parehas na goals na mayroon ka. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng tunay na kaalaman, kung sawa ka na sa puro hype lang, power, then this event is for you. Remember guys, success is contagious. Tandaan nyo yan. Kapag nakasama mo ang mga tao na seryoso sa growth nila, sa success nila, mahahawa ka rin sa energy nila. That's why we're creating this kind of experience. So you can see, feel, and learn from the energy firsthand. At isa pang mahalagang part, this event marks the official launch ng unang libro ko, Ang Minahi Ka ni Mohika, Ang Makina ng Pera. In this book, I'm sharing everything I've learned from the 30 rules I followed, to the mindsets I embraced, to the strategies that built Kangkong Chips Original from scratch to a multi-million global business. This isn't just a book launch. It's a chance for you to hold in your hands a step-by-step guide to creating wealth from zero to millions. Kaya para sa mga seryosong negosyante, para sa mga gustong maging financially free, this book and this event are for those who want to create a business empire. Not someday, but starting now. Para ito sa mga seryosong gustong maglaro sa mundo ng negosyo. So, if you're ready to make a real commitment to your future, if you're ready to take action, tara, samahan nyo kami sa December 8 sa SMX Convention Center, Manila para sa Grand Negosyo Fair. Ito na ang tsansa mo to learn from the best, to build real connections, and get a blueprint for your long-awaited success. Don't just talk about your dreams, guys. You have to make it happen. Be there with us, and let's try to build the future na gusto mo. See you there, at huwag niyo kalimutan, bring your pen and your paper.